Action ako.
Hi.
Okay. So let us know what is beauty for others.
Others?
According to Stephen.
Wow, galing si Nicole sa duty free.
Hi, Stephen. Can I ask something?
Can we ask something,
Nick,
please?
pwede mo yung hapon? Pwede mo yung hapon?
What is Marika
Oh,
for you?
Next question.
Okay. What is beauty for Stephen?
Beauty is brain.
Beauty is brain?
Also, Marika is full of brain.
Okay, so Marika is beauty.
Ala ka. Ano yun?
Okay,
Utak lang.
we got it. Thank you, Stephen. Okay. Okay, pause. Hi, Chris. Can we ask something?
Oo, may sala. Napigilan lang po kasi.
No.
Sabi lang po, asukal lang daw.
No, we're going to ask. What is beauty for you?
Hindi pa namin ito pala.
Beauty is...
Hindi po ako yun. Hindi po tayo, napadaan lang po ako.
Oh, nako. Sheng!
You can found in
Sheng! What is beauty for you?
One eye? Tama po yun? Wala po ko
One
Hindi, bakit ka nag-gaganyan?
Wala lang.
Sa English.
Ano, siguro beauty is something that is found within, not just the physical aspect.
Yeah.
Damn
That's it.
Hmm.
Everyone. Thank you.
It's in Janice, right?
He's beautiful inside.
Yeah!
Pag-utusan lang po talaga ako.
Ouch!
Kita ko yung sa mga TV, nakaganon eh.
Hi, Shannon! Hey! Oh, I'm doing an interview. May seryoso to. Can I ask? What? Nothing.
Ano? This is...
Uy! Ano ka ba?
What is beauty for you?
Beauty. Thank you. Sige, nasamahan ko siya. Beauty.
Nasa evidence ulit.
Beauty is the really natural self mo. Yung hindi kailangan ng cosmetics or anything.
Oh. Thank you.
Mapadan sa...
Ang kulit natin at ang kulit mo ay.
Kulay kasi nagmamadali na
Ivy.
ituwi niya yung kabayan.
Hi, Ivy.
Kabayanan niya.
Can we ask something?
Tapos ngayon, hindi niya masuot-suot yung kabayanan. Babalik dyan kasi
What is love?
sa may-ari. Kasi bahay pa.
Love is
Ay,
like...
What is beauty?
Doon best nangyayari yung
What is
ganyan.
beauty?
Pag minsan, pag
Beauty is
pag
Ivy.
ako nakakasya, ako.
Tinawa na.
Nag-walkout na. Ano ba yan? Yung boyfriend parang naging
Thank you.
magnanakaw na sa sakit niya sa...
Joy?
What is beauty?
Beauty
Beauty is me!
No.
Ano ba yung pinagagawa mo?
Seryoso.
Ano ba yan?
Nothing.
Ano subject?
May...
It's psychology.
Sorry, ba't may psychology ba kayo?
Yan is
Hey,
subject.
basta remembrance lang yan sa...
Okay, what is beauty?
Wait lang nga pa.
Seryoso.
Remembrance lang yan.
Like, Arian Epogon.
Okay, kilig na ako.
Uy, naku, kinilig ka naman yan.
Is the one who's holding the camera.
I don't
Kinilig
want.
naman si Yan.
Oo, tama na. Game.
Yani, para saan yan?
Ito marinig sa side.
Ay, imo.
Imo to.
Ano mo gagawin?
Ano, Ivy, what is beauty for you?
Beauty is orchids, you know. Orchid.
Orchid?
It's like a flower that blooms when you fall in love.
Ano daw ba na dalawin natin?
Ayun pala eh.
Nakita mo na kasi.
Pinag-isipan. Huwag ka bibigay na.
Kagawin mo sa dyan, marami lang dum dyan sa area.
Ako mapadan sa akin.
So, where are going, Alvin?
There.
There?
There. Gusto tulog niya ako, may tapang ka.
Huh?
Sa dalawa ko may tapang.
Oh, I don't want.
Ilang minutes na? Or?
Huh?
May nag-shooting din dito.
Dali, kay Paul eh. May katawagan si Paul.
Huh?
May katawagan. Dali, kay Paul.
Kay Paul?
May katawagan dali. Yan po yung masasaksihan natin. Kapon
Hi,
pa ni Paul.
Paul! Say hi to the camera! Uy.
Paul, may tanong lang kami.
Well, I have a question. Paul, what is beauty for you?
Ay, dali.
Oh, please!
Remembrance lang to.
Remembrance?
Remembrance?
Yes.
Saan? Ano ba mo yun?
Basta,
Basta.
pag lumaki na tayo.
Beauty is... Just answer me, Joe. Oh! Oh,
Dali,
okay.
kahit ano.
Oh, it doesn't...
Kahit Tagalog.
Tagalog. Ano ang kagandahan?
Hard to speak.
Oh my God. Okay, thank you. Hi, Jelay.
Cool.
Can I ask something?
What?
What is beauty for you?
Beauty is Yanni, dude.
Yes,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah.
Fair. What is...
Is that a video?
Yes.
Remembrance lang.
Whoa.
Kami.
What? Hi, can I ask something?
What is it?
What is beauty for
Jay
you?
na sila, Jay.
Beauty is me.
Yes.
Nakapalang kulot? Nakapalang kulot. Beauty is about... Kami yung in-interview eh. Beauty is about... Beauty is the beast. Bilis na. Bye-bye. Beauty is me. Bye.
Bye.
Nabobo. Beauty is
Come on here.
Let's go, Alvin. Reina. Let's try to ask.
Ay, ma'am.
Oh, mom? No, first, Ella. Ah, it's maputek here. Oh, mom is here na? Oh.
Ay, hindi, wala pa pala.
Hi, Ella. Ella. Can I ask something?
What?
What is beauty for you?
Yeah.
Me.
Yes. Oh, everyone answer with
Me,
me.
I answer it for Ella. Beauty
no
is
one.
complicated.
Oh
Oh,
my God, no.
no.
Yeah, just look at my face. Do I say more? Love it.
Beauty can be found anywhere, especially in front of me.
Wow! And
Yes,
she's proud. Great. Okay.
Wala pagandahan daw ng meaning ng ano, ng view.
Yeah. Hi, Tessa.
Mantis.
What is
Excuse me, ilang group?
beauty for you?
5 groups, 4. Beauty
Yes.
is cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Tama.
You answer.
Beauty is cannot be seen in Sir Lubang, ikaw ba yan? Teka lang! Ipapost mo naman yan, lagot!
Oh my
Pwede
God.
Tagalog.
Teka lang, wala akong maisip.
Oh.
Pwede Tagalog, Jay.
Tagalog naman.
Ilang minutes na yan?
It's 8 minutes.
Para saan?
Remembrance
Ito bang
lang.
beauty?
Anything. We're doing
Anything that occupies space. Beauty is anything and beauty is has chemical property and... Oh my gosh! Physical property!
Nosebleed.
Chemical properties when you
There's
undergo...
some chemical change.
When you undergo surgery and physical properties when the natural beauty...